Hi, this is John Boyer with Namescape. I'm on a team that works with IT departments in the Mid-Atlantic as well as the federal government for my company. And today I'm going to show you how we could use JoBot to automatically search the attributes in your Active Directory to be able to find those that are incomplete and alert the administrator to have those users complete them. Let's go take a look at the software. So this is JoBot, and JoBot's a nice tool that can be set to run in the background while you're doing your other jobs. So we're going to create a new task for JoBot to automatically check for. And we'll go to the account module, click on empty attribute notification, and we're going to have it set up to look for attributes that have not been completed by users or other departments. So I'm going to call this empty attribute. And I'm going to do the settings for it. So I'll just have it do once every weekday without any end date. If you want the job to just run one time, you can just set it for one occurrence. But for the sake of the demo, we'll just do it no end date. And now we'll configure this. So it's going to search for the attributes that could be checked for. So it should be completed in 1 second. There we go. So we now have our attribute list, but what it's going to do, you're going to be able to pick where in the directory you're wanting this to check. So if you want some specific location, you can identify that. And here's your attribute list that we can pick from. But you can actually pick any attribute that you'd like to use. Perhaps if you store phone numbers or maybe cell phones in a specific area, or if you'd like someone's department information to be filled out. So we'll just do department. Say they haven't had that completed. You can send an email to the user to say, hey, you have an empty attribute called department that's not complete, or you can have just the list be sent to a specific individual. So we'll just notify the user. Or we could just generate a report. So we pick a file name, that's going to be the template of the report, and what format you'd like. So let's pick a location for this. Call it empty attribute. And we'll go ahead and save that. Okay, so now that job is set, it's scheduled to run. I'm going to go ahead and run the job now. And in a minute it'll be completed and we'll have a file that'll tell us who has this empty attribute. And now the job's complete. So minimizing to the desktop. Here's our empty attribute HTML file. And now we have a list of all the accounts that do not have that attribute completed for. This is really helpful for, like I said, phone numbers, addresses, or even perhaps password profiles. So I hope you like taking a look at the software. If you'd like to have a copy for yourself for 30 days, it'll be fully functional. Just go to the namescape.com page and click on Evaluate Now, and you'll receive a 30-day copy of the software for your own test environment. Or if you'd like, I could give you a personal web demonstration. Just send me an email at john.boyer@namescape.com and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.